police cannot catch them, or they can change the route when the police checks occurs. So under the guidance of Dr. Sudhir Shukla with the HOD Department of Computer Science and Application, myself Mera Jalam from 6th semester, I am introducing Trafficide, an intelligent traffic violation detection and intelligent agentic validation system. So the problem is so that we have limited manpower. According to statistics, we have 153 people, we have 153 police for 1 lakh people. And riders often know the predictable checkpoint checks occurs, the place where the checks occurs, and they just change the route when they are wearing helmet, and they just change the route and does not go with the same route. The system that is available at this current stage is reactive rather than preventive. What I mean is that violations are catched, but it's too late. Sometimes it's too late that accidents have already taken place. And there are some manual monitoring challenges because the traffic volume is increasing day by day. So as a result, the traditional manual enforcement system by the traffic police is not enough to ensure the road safety. So we have built a system. The main objective of our system is that classify each vehicle on the road and detect the helmet violation from a live or recorded video, and then identify the violation's vehicle license plate without manual intervention. Then validate whether the violation actually occurs, and at the end, for the enforcement, final enforcement, we are using human in the loop. But our main objective is to create or build the baseline of the system so that more attributes, more violations detection system can be added later. This is our system. How it works? It works in 5 stages. First one is vehicle detection. We have trained a model for vehicle detection with the 15th class using yellow V810, that is nano version. And this model detects every vehicle on the road. These are the 5 stages: helmet check, then plate recognition, AI validation, and human review. In the first stage, the model spots every vehicle on the road and classifies each of vehicle, like what type of vehicle it is. Then it assigns a track ID. I am using a white track using supervision framework, supervision library, to track every vehicle on the road. This is from the backside view. Then we are getting the violations. When the rider class comes from the violation detection model, or the motorcycle class comes in, at that time another model runs, that is helmet detection model. It is also trained by us using transfer learning using yellow V11, and here the helmet model checks whether a person is wearing helmet or not. If the person is not wearing helmet, it flags instantly and checks throughout the frame, throughout the lifespan of this object. Then if there is no helmet found, it is another model is present there. That is we also trained by us. So we did not train the model. We used an open source model, and it is license detection model where the probe version of the motorcycle is sent to this. Then detection is done for finding the number plate. Then from the number plate, text is extracted, and we are using ECOCR here for extracting the text. And also during the testing, we have found that the license plate detection model is somewhere not working. So we use Robocula instance as a fallback to locate the license plate. And also if OCR fails because of the tiny characters, we are using HID at the end of the system so that the enforcement is true. At the fourth stage, we are using a VLM. That we are using an AI agent that takes the prop of the vehicle, the motorcycle, along with the rider, and along with the plate number extracted by the OCR, the previous offenses like plate from the database and the OCR confidence is sent to a VLM. The VLM generates a response. The simple VLM response is here, like it generates a description, whether the violation, whatever violation, whether the violation is occurred or not, like that. And at the end, a final human has to verify whether the violation is occurred or not, because it involves lawsuit or maybe some related to the compliance. This is our dashboard, or can say UI, where the real-time operation or real-time insight can be seen. I want to show the demo of our system. Because of the time constraint, I have recorded a video yesterday night.
These are the two inference demos from the system. Now let's just introduce to our UI. All the violations, all the group rejected HAK cases can be detected from here. We will be selected text in a minute. In analytics, there are some plots, some graphs available built on the system. Now look at this. Here an agent takes the cases with pending status and sends it to a VLAN. And based on the image, the VLAN generates a score. If it is not confident enough, it sends the case to the HIDL, that is for human review, with the description as well. And if it is enough confident, it directly approves, as you can see, with the description as well here. Now let's closely look at the HIDL review. In HIDL review section, a human looks at the description and the image. If required, enters the license plate number and approves or rejects. After approve, you can see it here. And then, at the end, after approve, an email is sent to the violator with the image evidence.
This is what I have already talked about. We have three model chain using for daily data element classifier and license plate data. The last one is we have tried but failed because of the collab notebook executions. I don't know where that. And under two, we are using the elevate for vehicle detection and by type for tracking helmet for helmet classification. We are using YOLO V11 app chain using transfer line. YOLO V5 plus overflow for license plate detection. EasyWord OCR for plate extraction. Langraph for the AI, the agents to take for the validation using a BLM. We are using the BLM Gamma 31 million by the Google, and at time we are using Fastly and SQLite for backend and storage. With this, I am open for the question and for the videos.
So, good presentation and good work. If I say, in this, what I have observed that you have considered different modules, and for that you have used different models also. And in one cases you have said that some number plate detection model you have used, and then you have dropped that. And so for that, have you stored any statistical data?
Sir, our notebook failed because we don't have GPU. We are using the collab. That notebook will fail and the error.
Okay, system failure.
System failure.
Not the performance.
We cannot measure the performance because of the system failure.
Okay, so it is the limitations of resources.
We don't have that much processing power to
Okay, so what is that you have
take at
counted
least
once?
4 IDs to train the data set.
Okay.
Our principles are such as keep some we have infrastructure then we can go.
So, in this case, here you have kept this one module for this human review.
Yes, sir.
So, how it will be feasible when we consider it is a big city? How it will be feasible?
We have agentic validation layer at first. When agentic validation layer fails or has less confidence, this same is sent to the human review. These are around if you see the statistics or maybe from this there only, I can see it here. At the system, I can see that most of the cases are either approved or went to the HID. Some cases are pending. The HID cases are very less.
What is the reason of failure?
Sometimes the images are blurry. Sometimes there are more than one rider riding the vehicle. So model cannot verify what we are talking about. This is one of the limitations I have found it, and
What is the scope of operation here?
I use the crop version of this. The crop photo of this version. Because of time constraint, I am not able to do this. Otherwise, I use.
Can you incorporate different angle images?
So we are using single angle camera.
Yeah, for future
Yes, sir.
scope I mentioned.
Yes, sir.
Whether we can incorporate processing cost will be higher, definitely,
Yes, sir.
but
Yes, sir.
because otherwise every second this type of pending cases will keep on increasing.
No, sir. Pending cases are taken by the AI agent. I have not opened or started the system, the validation system. If I start the system, I will see at the lifetime. Can I should I?
Okay, for the time increase, I'm getting something. So it is a good one, and also there is lots of scope of betterment in this.
Yes, sir.
And hope you honesty will improve.
Yes, sir.
And not doing any shortcut or anything.
No, sir.
I think it will be a good one. And it can be documented in any form.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you so much.